Now let's do the 7th loop. Erase pin. Hook the first short needle where the line is drawn. Tag point. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short needle. Hook 36 short needles all the way. Finish the loop. Lap 7 through 13 are the same as this one. Round 13 is all fine. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Hook a standing pin. Lap 14 is also 36 short pins. First hook 13 short needles with earthy yellow thread. Then switch to coffee-colored thread and hook 10 short needles. Then switch back to the earthy yellow thread, then hook 13 short stitches. Now let's start with the hook. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Start with 13 short stitches. Second stitch. Third stitch. The fourth needle. Change the thread on needle 13. Just hook this line right in. Just hook it up and start. Ten short needles. Pull the bottom line tight. First stitch. Second stitch. The third needle. The fourth needle. This goes on for 10 stitches. Also on the 10th pin. Let's put the thread back. Just hold it down on the line at the back. Leave enough thread. Hold down the wire like this, and then put it back. This thread pulls inside, because we're going to have to draw again later. So don't cut it yet. Just keep. Then hook 13 short pins down. Finish the loop. Loop 14 is over. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Pull the coil to hook a standing pin. Loops 15 through 17 are all 36 short pins. We'll hook the first short needle where the draw ends. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short needle. Keep going like this. Hook 3 circles 36 short pins. Loop 17 is over. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Pull the line tight, then hook a standing pin. Round 18 is made up of 11 short pins in this color. And then switch to this coffee color with 14 short stitches. Make this yellow hook 11 short pins. Now let's start with the first 16 short stitches. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. The fourth needle. This is the 11th short pin. Let's start drawing lines now. Just hook the line in. Pull this thread in. Start now. We use this color of thread to hook 14 short stitches. The first short stitch. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short needle. Always hook 14 short pins. Let's replace it with the original color line. Pull this tight after you change the wire. And then this color line can be cut. And then we take down. Finish the remaining 11 pins. Pull this back wire tight. Round 18 is our 5. End of drawing. Pull the coil to hook a standing pin. Then labs 19 and 20 are 36 short pins. Now let's start with the first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short needle. That's how you finish labs 19 and 20. Each turn is 36 short stitches. Loop 20 is over. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Pull the coil to hook a standing pin. Lap 21 consists of 6 sets of 4 short pins and a reduction pin. That's 30 stitches. Now let's start with the first set of hooks. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short stitch is a reduction stitch. Reducing stitch is to pick the other half of the 2 stitches. Draw and draw again. This first set is done. Second set first short stitch. Second pin.